loud about it, but the truth is that I'm stressed and I'm so busy this period. That's why I've not made any content. But don't worry, I got you. Content back to back, like back to back. Yo, compliment of the season, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Happy New Year in advance. Yes, I'm part of the people that did not get any Christmas gifts this time around. I've not gotten any though, but today I'm going for my nail appointment because I already made an appointment for my nail. So I don't even know what color should I even do. But I'm going to try something different. I've not made a purple nail before, so I'm going to try purple this time around. Yeah. Why not? Because my camera is purple, so I have to be twinning with my new bestie. Like it's a must read my lips. Jamie fixed my nail. I'm already at the salon where I'm to make my nails. Yeah. I love the interior of this salon. It's really giving. I would have done a full vlog, but well, there's no time because I kind of came late for my appointment. So I was given refreshments, cookie and drink. I'm doing a gel polish painting and I'm going to fix a very short fingernail using a purple color, and then my toenail should go for dark purple. Yes, dark purple is cool. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. And if you're just watching this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification to get notification on whenever I drop any video. Thank you so much. So today's video will be unboxing. Yeah, I got my package from JUMIA. First I got this one first. No, I got this one first, yes. But I was like, no, I won't film this video yet until I get the second one because I did a shipping. Like, you can order from JUMIA, yes, but JUMIA does not have this bag at the moment. And this is like a screen guard for the camera because I love this camera so much. So I'm ready to get all the interiors complete in order to avoid story or anything. So JUMIA don't have this bag and this other stuff ready. So I have to ship it. I pay for shipping fee and everything. Okay, as for those that have not seen the camera I got, let me show you again. So this is the camera. I did not get this camera from JUMIA. Please, I did not get this from JUMIA, but JUMIA also sells this camera, but I didn't get it from JUMIA. So which one should I even unbox first? Okay, let me unbox the camera protector. So we're unboxing this one first. We're unboxing this one first. This spray like exactly what I ordered for because I stated it there on Instagram with the just pulling it. Why is this so hard? It's not showing something package. It's not. Okay. Okay, hold on a minute. I'm just scared. Hold on a minute because like see what I'm seeing. Like this is let me show you this. It's not the same thing I can cry. I don't go to JUMIA website and start doing all the complaint of my life. Okay, this should be like the hand bag. Let's do this with this. This one I really cool. That's to be the same. going to do this thing because I know how long to wait for this thing to arrive. Open it from here. So I'm doing safe. It's not the size, it's not the size, it's not the size. This one is for Instagram 9, it's not the size. Oh, mine are weighing this way. It's absolutely not the size. It's not the size because it's not crazy. It's not crazy at all. It's not the size. I can't cry because I'm very sure this one you did to me is for the 9 because it's not crazy. This is kind of weird. Like the size is different. It's just the same shape, but the size is different. It's not crazy, so I don't using the size. This one is for the 9. I'm just in pain, like I'm emotionally downcast right now. It's like in 9, you can chat me up. So I can send this one to you because it's not the size, like you don't see it at all. I really feel bad because I really paid for this thing to be shipped down to Nigeria and I still pay for shipping fee again. So you need to refund me. Try the bag now since the kids. I'm not crying. I'm not myself. Let's go to the bag. Let's put that to the side. Let's put this one. I don't know. Oh, so fine, so fine. So fine, like so beautiful. I really love this one. So fine. Okay, I can carry this way. But look, I'll use the back area. The back area of it. How I do this. Don't forget to that case you pay me, like you pay me for nothing happened. That case so bad. So at least I'm just busy with the case and where is the bag, you understand the changing. Obviously you just want to order another bag, different colors. So I really love this one, like it's so pretty. Wow. Like wow. The bag is just good. So fine. Such a beauty. Since here I've seen beauty before, but this one is a discovery. Honestly, I really feel very extremely bad about this. Like I really feel bad about it because I really wanted this because it's transparent, so I can be working it even without my bag or anything. But I would just advise if you are getting this for your mini 11 JUMIA, I don't know, will I say you should not get it or will I say you should get it to try your luck? I don't know, but for me, I will not advise anybody to get it because after paying for shipping, waiting for the goods to be shipped down to Nigeria and everything, only for me to get this, and I'm sure this must be the size of my Instagram 9. I really feel bad, honestly speaking. And this is so colorful and beautiful. So they've been very fine on the camera. But it's all good, it's well. These are good ones to do. They pay me, oh, they pay me. They pay me. They pay me. I have the Instagram 9. I can give you this for free. I can give you this. You just send your location, my right away to you, and you pay for the delivery. I'm not going to pay. but I love this bag. Like it's really giving so fine, fine dark. So good. So if you watch to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you very much. Thank you for watching to this video. God bless you. And if you still haven't subscribed, big push, you die need now. Please hit the subscribe button. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you.